Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. In this video I'm going to prepare egg curry, and another dish will be Chinese pad thai fry, qigong lei fry. So let's start preparing them. The ingredients are boiled eggs, green chili, culantro leaf, you can use coriander leaf, pudina, mint leaf, boiled potatoes and 2 tomatoes, garlic and ginger. In a wok, put some mustard oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons. Let it heat up nicely. Meanwhile, let's grind the masalas. Pudina leaf, culantro. I don't have coriander, that's why I'm using culantro. Tomato. Grind all the ingredients together. Let's marinate the eggs. Some salt, not much, just a little bit. Pinch of turmeric powder, not much. Just without any salt and turmeric also you can fry. The oil is ready, so let's start frying the eggs. Let's take it out. Let's start frying the curry. First I'll put the garlic and ginger. Fry in medium flame. Some turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, not much, little bit, maybe half teaspoon, and use some coriander powder as well. Now let's put the grounded masala. I'll just rinse it with little bit of water. I'll cook this for 2-3 minutes. Salt to taste. Mint goes very well with this curry, so don't hesitate, try it out. It's ready. I'll put the potatoes. Aloha burger mashed toasted to buy the let's mash it up. Hero and some asi style I eat right. Let's put water for the gravy. You can adjust the gravy as you like. I'll mash all the potatoes. I want slightly thick gravy. My mahi se khra tha hangani. Yam di tharoi. Adjust the chili as you like. Let it come to a boil and I'll put the eggs. If you want, you can slice the eggs. I want them whole. I just slit them, just 2-3 slits, so that the eggs will absorb the masala and the gravy. Thong mga yerum siya in sorry the kra slit tawe ko khai ko. Radi khai de kazit khai ne. Ma how bhengai. My egg curry is done. How manam lit. This smells amazing. Let's serve the potato curry. And the next dish is qigong lei fry, Chinese pad thai fry with potato, Chinese pad thai, boiled potatoes roughly chopped, some ginger and garlic and onion. In a wok, let's put some mustard oil. I'll put around 2 tablespoons. Let it heat up. Meanwhile, let's clean the qigong lei, Chinese pad thai. Just use the young one like this. When you break it, it should be like this. Don't use the hard one. See, this is hard. I can't use it. The old one we can use the seeds. This doesn't have seeds, so I'm throwing it away. Chop it up into small pieces. Now the oil is ready. Let's put the onions. Just have to see ginger and garlic. Low flame, then no, yeah. I'll fry in low flame. Chili powder, pinch of turmeric, salt to taste. Let's put the boiled potato. I'll put the chickong lei. I won't fry it for a long time. The potato is already cooked. So for the chickong lei, I'll fry this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, check for the seasoning, and this is done. You can garnish with coriander leaves and all. Let's switch off the flame. Now it's time to enjoy. Let me show you the dishes. I have got some fruits here: orange, guava from my garden, and this is water chestnut, haikakni. Today's special egg curry. Chinese petai fry, chickong lei fry ni. And here I have got loads of salad, herbs and vegetables from my garden. Here this is ginger flower, wing beans as you know, with some fish mint, mustard leaf, lemon basil, myang toni, tomato, I'll slice it up, and 2 small brinjals, and my dipping sauce. Chab haujerage. Spicy, delicious. Ahora mint leaf goes very well with potato and egg curry. Kasi nung si hidak si yam sane, try tawri yun. This is Chinese petai fry with potato. If you don't eat fish sauce, then you definitely try this recipe. Ginger flower. I'll just slice it. The smells of ginger flower is so good. Smell is so good. You can smell from far also. Yam hawak manam. I'll dip it in sauce and try it. Too good. Sour. Lemon basil, myang toni. a bit spicy. Mustard leaf. I think this is called lai shak in Assamese. I am not sure. Crunchy, little bit sour. However, so spicy. Haikak. It's called haikak in Manipuri. I love this. Just boil and eat it, or you can dip it in the sauce. I prefer the old one to the young water chestnut. The sauce is so spicy. The mustard green is so spicy. Let's try the brinjal also. It's so spicy, the sauce is so spicy. So spicy. Water chestnut. I'll just eat it like this. It's not sweet. Ngasi waide loisinjarage. Yam thagachari mayambu. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and click the bell icon as well. See you next time.